This is a song that I wrote, realizing how much I love somebody, like, in such a ridiculous way. I had been married for a while, and at a certain point in time, my partner was asleep, and our puppy... Hello? Okay, good. Our puppy was asleep, and what I didn't want to do was awake my sleeping partner, but the dryer went off in the back of the house, so I needed to fold the towels. So it was a very serious juxtaposition I found myself in. And, I wanted to, get towels done. So this song is called Folding Towels, because I found myself folding towels in the dark to make sure that I didn't turn the light on, so I didn't wake the puppy up, so I didn't wake my partner up, because, God, I just wanted her to have rest, And clean towels. I'm pretty sure, love, that it's getting worse. I'm falling in deeper, and there's still no hope for a return. You hand me a careful knife. You've been traveling there and back. Mountains and trenches I never knew. That watershed leads me right to you. Folding towels in the dark, taking a bite, taking apart, where one day is someday soon. I'm aching to be there with you. You learn in me in subjects I would never read, with patience like I've never seen, and hands that seek out the broken, reviving their missing piece. And folding towels in the dark, taking a bite and taking apart, where one day is someday soon. I'm aching to be there with you. Oh, 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 oh. Folding towels in the dark, writing a love song on a bench at the park. One day, someday soon, I'm aching to be there with you. For